Here I am, know it's been a while.
Hey
I was
babes.
in denial about my life. Here I stand, I know I
Hi
walked
guys,
away.
welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be trying MODELONES Dip powder kit that I got for the review. So I got it with this travel bag. So here we have 6 different color dip powders. So I'm gonna show you the colors now. So you can see on all the colors on the screen. I added them. Well, actually these colors are really pretty. I love this purple so much. Then we have this pink, is so gorgeous, and I'm really in love with this peachy pink shade, and this shimmer is everything. So here we we also have the dip powder base, activator, and the gel top coat. We also have these 2 extra brushes. Well, I already have my nail tips on and I'm ready for dipping. So I just pour the clear dip powder into the dipping container, and the first thing what I do, I just apply the base coat on my nail and start dipping. And I do the same steps on all of my nails. After applying the clear powder on all of my nails, I just remove the excess powder from my fingers with the brush that was in the kit too. And this is how my nails look after applying the clear powder. So next we have this pink shade that I'm gonna be using. This shade is called Dance With Me, and it's a very pretty peachy pink shade. So I just start dipping. Well, I can say that this peachy pink shade is really my favorite from this collection, but other colors are also so pretty and I really can't wait to try them. But right now I'm just gonna be doing my nails only with this shade, cause that Kylie Jenner heart design nail needs only just one shade. So I'm just gonna be using this shade. I hope this will be pretty after I finish doing my nails. So I do the same on my second hand, and I'm just dipping all my nails into the pink dip powder and just dab it to remove excess powder from the nails. Then after the powder is dry, I wipe away with the brush all the excess powder. And now it's time for the second coat of this pink powder. So I do the same steps on all of my nails. So when you apply the base on your nail, you have to make sure that you cover the whole nail, because sometimes it comes out really messy if you don't cover all the parts of your nail. So these are my nails after applying 2 coats of the dip powder, and I really love this color and I love the design. And well, I can say that this dip powder is really good. It dries up so quickly and attaches to your nails so easily, giving very pretty color on your nails. So now it's time for the activator. So I just apply all the activator on all of my nails. After it's completely dry, I just start filing and buffing and giving my nail the desired shape. Well, I really like this dip powder because you don't need too much coat to like get the perfect color. I just applied, as you saw, 2 coats and it was absolutely enough, and it does not need too much filing. I just buffed the nail surface and that's it. And finally I'm just gonna be applying the top coat on all of my nails. Well, after applying the top coat, my nails look absolutely gorgeous, and now I'm gonna be designing my nails with the rhinestones from my favorite brand Azure Beauty. I'm gonna be doing this pretty heart shape. Well guys, I'm just using the tweezers. I don't know why, I just find it easy to apply. And here we have this beautiful heart on my nails and I'm really in love, so I'm just gonna be adding the second top coat on all of my nails. So guys, these are the final look of my Kylie Jenner inspired heart nails. I'm really in love. I can say about this dip powder that it's a very good quality dip powder, and I think it's very good and useful for the beginners to do like salon quality nails at home. So I will leave the link of this dip powder in the description box, so you should definitely check it out, and also you can use the code that you see on the screen right now for 15% discount. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be with you very soon. Bye.